You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and guess what we have? Another new Cricut mystery box. This one is the Cupcake Sprinkles mystery box with the new Chartreuse Cutie. Now, when I took him out of the package, I thought, oh, little wasabi man. He reminds me of the color of wasabi. Here is a comparison of him next to the true lime green and neon green. So you can see the difference between them here. In the mystery box is also the Insert Cards Princess Sampler. So this is going to be the R40 size, which is a 4.75 by 6.6 inch card. And you're going to get a 30 count in this. And this is going to include 8 of the tulip, 8 of the powder blue, and then 7 each of the whispering blue and lavender cards. And then you're going to get 30 of the holographic inserts, which these are like that silver holographic. And then you'll get 30 envelopes as well. And actually, I did a project with this, a quick Christmas card if you want to make. That's really cute. I did a penguin one, but I'll be posting that in the groups later on to share with all of you. But these are super great for quick Christmas cards and in these pretty pastel colors, which are actually in. And something always good to get, a new mat. So we are going to get the light grip mat. This is a 12 inch by 12 inch. Now the light grip mat I love to use for cardstock, vellum, acetate, copy paper, and I love to use the new ones with vinyl also. And we are getting vinyl in my favorite color, the beautiful teal color. And this is going to be the removable vinyl, and you're going to get 15 feet of this. You could do a lot of projects with this. And the sparkle in the box, we are getting Cricut glitter iron-on in this beautiful pink color here. You're going to get 12 by 19 inches of that. Makes me think of Glinda from the movie Wicked, actually. And perfect to put that iron on or to put infusible ink on, you're getting Cricut's women's fitted t-shirt v-neck, and this is in the extra large size. And if that's not your size, it makes a perfect gift also. So that is everything included in the Cupcake Sprinkles mystery box. And since it comes with a cutie, this box is for Access members only, but there are links below to go ahead and purchase, and there are links to go ahead and join Access if you're not. And there's all sorts of benefits of that. And when you click the link, it will show you all the benefits you get that you receive, and you always get your Cricut Access discount when you purchase one of our mystery boxes. And the price of the box is $49.99 US and $69.99 Canadian. And remember, no coupon codes will work on the mystery boxes. And boxes are a very limited quantity, and they do sell out soon, especially whenever we have a new cutie. So we greatly appreciate you guys using those links. It comes at no added cost to you and just helps support small business. And also below are links to the Melody Lane Holiday Extravaganza, which, oh my gosh, is happening this weekend, starting Saturday. So you can click the link and it'll give you all the info for that. We're so excited to do this. But thank you guys so much for joining us. If you could give us the like or the comment, let us know, did you get the box? And how do you like when we do these little animated videos? I like when there's a fun theme, and when I seen it was cupcake and sprinkles, I was like, oh, those make me happy. And it's colorful and it's fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I greatly appreciate all of the birthday wishes everybody gave me on the last box. It was on Thanksgiving, which was my birthday, and you guys were awesome. So thank you guys, and thank you Cricut, and thank you to our admin team. Everybody have a great rest of your week. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.